Perfect tonal harmony is what gives professional images their signature cinematic realism and visual cohesion. How to explore tonal harmony techniques. Open Photoshop and load your photo onto a 2000 pixel canvas, then convert it into a smart object to allow flexible edits. Begin with a color balance adjustment layer and gently shift tones across shadows, midtones, and highlights so all color ranges complement each other. Add a gradient map layer with subtle colors and lower opacity so it softly unifies the palette. Use a layer mask and soft brush to remove toning from areas that should stay neutral. Introduce a curves adjustment layer to fine-tune contrast and ensure tonal